Every piece of data has a traceable point of origin. Businesses produce data every minute by performing the processes they rely on to function. Your business processes can influence the quality and form of your data, and the other way around. Accurity has now expanded with the data-driven business process optimization solution. Its Process Lineage feature allows you to describe business processes in your company and their individual steps in detail, and then map them to objects in your data model. This way, you can always keep track of what piece of data originates in which process, or which processes are dependent on what data to be performed correctly. Process Lineage enables you to analyze the impact that changes to your processes can have on your data infrastructure. Always know how your business processes impact your data. Find Process Lineage now in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.